To open a page, double-click the page title in the left Pages pane. Clicking the page title will select it. To add a new page, click the Add button in the top left corner. This will create a new page. To delete a page, right-click and select the Delete menu item, or press the Delete key on your keyboard. To rename a page, first select it, then click on the title. The cursor will highlight the page name, allowing you to enter a new name directly. Alternatively, right-click and select Rename, then input the new name. You can also search for page names. For example, entering button will filter all pages or folders containing that word. Clicking the Collapse All button in the Pages pane will fold all pages, while the Expand All button will expand them. To change a page's position, drag it and you will see a dotted line indicating where it will be placed. If the line appears behind a page icon, releasing the mouse will place it as a subpage. If it appears in front, it will become a parent page. If below, it will be at the same level. Folder operations are similar to those for pages. To add a folder, click the Add Folder button. You can also drag to adjust its position, rename it, or right-click and select Duplicate. Choosing Folder will duplicate only that folder, while Branch will duplicate the folder and all its subpages. You can delete folders as well, but if they have subpages, a warning will pop up. In the tab above the canvas, click the Gallery tab to view all pages and components. Clicking a component or page title will switch to that item. Double-clicking a page title will take you to that page. You can also switch between different pages using the tabs above or close any open pages.